So this therapeutic development workshop was set up as an acknowledgement of how hard it is to take a therapy from sort of a basic research discovery right the way through to the clinic. So what we've tried to do is to assemble experts across all of the steps, various institutes and hospitals and universities as part of Sphere, but also senior researchers, junior researchers, PhD students, get them all in a room together to talk about how to progress things from one stage to another.
Today is a real highlight, I think, for Sphere, because it's a step forward in bringing together all of the partnerships to actually understand what strengths and limitations we have across the drug development pipeline and actually learn about how they've completed their successful journey or how they've failed and why they may have failed.
What we really want to achieve today is some new collaborations, make people aware of the different resources available across the Sphere network, with the ultimate goal that we'll be able to start new collaborations to then apply for funding mechanisms.
A group like this together has all of the essential ingredients to actually deliver on what we're all trying to do, and that is get our drug from the laboratory into the clinic to help a patient. I would like to see all of these partners solidify a working group to actually utilise all of the different strengths across the partnership and work collectively as a team, because I think only then can we make a difference.